Volkswagen has not released a 2026 Prevost motorhome. Canadian luxury motor coach shellmaker Prevost and Volkswagen, known for campervans, have not collaborated. Both companies sell RVs and campers. VW 2026 campervan, ID, California Volkswagen's first electric campervan, the 2026 ID. California will change camping. ID Buzz campervans are eco-friendly and beautiful. Key features: electric powertrain with 201 horsepower, 150 kilowatts, and 229 pound-feet, 310 newton-meters torque. Large 111 kilowatt-hour battery pack drives rear-mounted engine. Unique design: hydraulic pop-up roof fits double bed. A gas stove, sink, and abundant storage are in the modern kitchenette, which includes interchangeable seating. 10-inch digital instrument cluster, 12-inch infotainment touchscreen, vegan leather, recycled materials. Improved outdoor experience, side retractable awning for shaded dining or lounging. Emission-free electric powertrains are good. Long drives for long trips. Large interior for multi-purpose use. High-tech entertainment, flexible and comfortable for short and long-term camping. Cons and expensive gadgets. In distant regions, charging infrastructure may be limited. Heavy batteries may hinder performance. Limited off-roading. Charging takes longer than gas refills. Specifications: electric motor power, 201 horsepower, 229 pound-feet. Drive, rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive optional. Range: 250 to 300 miles per charge. 111 kilowatt-hour battery pack DC fast charging, approximately 30 to 40 minutes. Safe: lane assist, emergency braking, adaptive cruise control. Inside, modular seats, dining, sleeping exterior. LED illumination, aerodynamic body, current styling. Maximum 4 individuals. Limited off-road capability compared to classic campervans. Infotainment: large touchscreen, digital cockpit, smartphone integration. Independent rear dual-zone climate control. Kitchen, gas stove, sink, fridge, storage. Tows 2,000 to 2,500 pounds. Previous RVs, tourism coaches, and bus shells for luxury RVs and custom adaptations are made by Prevost in Canada. Volvo Buses subsidiary. Custom alterations are common in premium Prevost RVs. Considerations: Prevost coaches require expensive and unusual parts for maintenance. Weather can cause rust and corrosion. Low-mileage cars may dry out seals. Conclusion: since Volkswagen has no 2026 Prevost motorhome, both firms offer different campervans and motorhomes. Volkswagen's ID. California campervans are eco-friendly, modern, and feature-packed for sustainable travel.